Hi, I'm Patrice at Euroak Flooring and we're at the home show. We'd like to show you our beautiful Australian-made flooring. We do French oak engineered timber flooring. It's 15 mil with 4 mils of oak on top with the multi-layer of ply underneath. Comes in beautiful variety of colours. We have some printing and all sorts of bright colours. We also do amazing posts with the French oak veneer around them. These ones in all sizes. Give us the brief and we'll give you the look. These are hollow, they've just got the veneer around it. Non-structural, and we've got the structural ones here. They've got the veneer around it as well. Over here we've got our stairs. We can make them to any specification, and these also can be made hollow or solid. The French oak come in all different colours. We've got enclosed stairs over here where we've got the slabs of French oak, solid French oak on the stair treads. We can do the boards up the riser and on top of the treads as well. And our craftsmen can make to any specification like this rounded bottom stair and the balustrades. With all of our flooring made out of French oak, we have access to many beautiful French oak slabs like this one. Some we can offer you in different sizes with the organic edging or even square it off to meet your needs. We're an Australian-made company and we're Australian-owned, so everything you see is supporting an Australian company. We'd love you to come and visit us.